They all were praying Isha, if you remember. And we joined. Was it only Isha? Now you're talking about drones, and any minute we can get a missile or an F-16. They did a full Taraweh. The amazing is you don't know who's the Imam, because every 2 rak'at somebody go back and another person come to the front. All of them reading beautifully. And they were fuqaha, because they chose from the Quran. They didn't read like the whole juz. They picked up ayat, and every ayah the Imam read is related to where they are. Talk about sabr, talk about don't despair, talk about Allah's victory is coming. It's amazing. And then we met them and they said, your iftar is in the room. So you go to the room and that's what you get. It was 3 cans, and we were lucky because we were physicians. They actually gave us a piece of bread. So of course I was personally very hungry. So I ate only the hummus, you see it open. And all night I was throwing up. And I said, may Allah forgive us. The spoiled people coming from America, we cannot even eat this. And they were living on it. 3 days later, after the World Kitchen, they were